All right, here we go. Good luck, CR. Buena suerte. Box 55. 992 9923 6955. Got two of my favorite numbers in there.
Kobe Auto's number to penalize. Yeah, select white hot, select red hot. They're like you just 9.5s or 10s golds. It's insane.
God damn.
Like, can you show me something that's a little bit cheaper? I think you show me more expensive parts.
That Louis PSA 10. The orange one. Louis Hamilton.
Oh, Lewis Hamilton.
PSA 10.
Don't call him Louis.
I called him Louis.
You got 10?
PSA 10. 9 on the auto though.
What?
9 on the auto.
That would be great. What?
Auto look clean.
Ruin that card.
All right, we got Xander Bogaerts. That is numbered 14 of 50. Rod Carew. Huh? Wow, that's a good question. 27 of 99. And JT Realmuto. $11 of 25. And Bobby Witt Jr. 144 of 199. Dang, that's those cards high numbered.
Oh, I should have brought that actually.
What?
Someone sold me the Randy Johnson, the Hall of Fame plaque framed auto.
Oh shit.
It's not expensive. I mean, it's a lot of like $100.
Yeah.
He sold me a Greg Mack the 30 framed auto. Not the Hall.
Here we go. Good luck. It is John Smoltz, 2 of 5. How do you get on the inside list? You don't have my phone number, huh, Stud? Nice. Thanks, Sierra. Appreciate it as always.